Exploring the Serenity, the phrase, beach walk, unveiled. Hello, lovely language learners. Today, we're going to embark on a linguistic journey through a phrase that evokes calm and serenity. Beach walk. Whether you're packing your bags for a vacation or just dreaming of the sea, understanding this simple yet picturesque term can add a dash of relaxation to your English vocabulary. Let's dive into the waves of words together and explore what beach walk truly means. At first glance, beach walk seems straightforward, right? But there's more to it than meets the eye. A beach is a natural area along the edge of a sea, ocean, or lake, typically covered in sand, pebbles, or stones. It's where the water meets the land. Now, when we talk about a walk, we mean a journey on foot, typically a leisurely one. So, a beach walk combines these two elements. It's a leisurely stroll along the shore of a beach. But it's not just a physical activity, it's also an experience that engages the senses. Beyond its literal meaning, a beach walk holds a special place in many cultures. It's often associated with relaxation, reflection, and sometimes romance. It's an activity that allows people to connect with nature, unwind from the stress of daily life, and find peace in the rhythmic sounds of waves. For many, a beach walk is a therapeutic exercise that rejuvenates the mind and the soul. So, when someone talks about going for a beach walk, they're often looking for more than just physical exercise. They're seeking an emotional and spiritual escape as well. How do you use this phrase in everyday English? Let's look at some examples. I went for a beach walk this morning, and it cleared my mind. Do you fancy a beach walk at sunset? It's beautiful this time of the day. They held hands during their beach walk, enjoying the peaceful moment together. In these sentences, beach walk is used to describe an activity that is both a form of exercise and a way to enjoy one's surroundings. It's versatile and can be used in various tenses and contexts. And that's the beauty of a beach walk in the English language. It's a phrase that not only describes a simple activity but also encapsulates a feeling of tranquility and joy. We hope this little linguistic trip to the beach has been enlightening and that you can now use beach walk in your conversations to convey more than just the act of walking on the sand. Until our next English adventure, keep practicing, and maybe take a real or imagined beach walk to inspire your learning journey. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.